There are times in life when you need access to extra money, and a HELOC could be your best choice. A HELOC is a line of credit borrowed against the equity in your home. It's available to single-family properties, condos, and townhouses. Like a credit card, it's available to you when you need it, and you only pay interest on what you borrow. Your interest rate could be lower than other options, such as personal loans, credit cards, and cash-out refinances. Let's say your home is worth $300,000. You're able to borrow up to 80% of your home's value, minus $150,000 that you still owe on your mortgage, leaving you with $90,000 available to borrow. The HELOC can be used for many different purposes, such as home improvement, high-interest debt consolidation, retirement, education, medical expenses, and major purchases. With Figure, you can apply for a line of credit in as little as 5 minutes, 100% online, and receive funding in as few as 5 days. Depending on your pre-qualifications, you could be eligible to borrow up to $400,000. With options between 5 and 30 years, you're able to choose a term and rate that's right for you. A home appraisal is not needed, and you are able to keep your current mortgage rate. No matter what expense you may have, a home equity line of credit could be the answer for you. Visit Figure.com and see how much you can save.